Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Ally, your go-to podcast for all things AI in the workplace. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Alex. Today's episode is one you won't want to miss. We're diving into Copilot Notebooks, what they are, why they matter, and how they're revolutionizing the way we work.
And stick around till the end. We've got a live demo that'll show you just how powerful and intuitive these notebooks really are. You'll walk away with ideas you can apply immediately.
So, Jordan, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Copilot Notebook?
Great question. Think of it as a fusion between a traditional notebook and an AI assistant. It's a space where you can write natural language prompts, get structured responses, visualize data, and even iterate on ideas all in one place.
It's like having a data analyst, a writer, and a strategist rolled into one, right at your fingertips.
Exactly. And what's really exciting is how it's changing workflows. Instead of switching between apps or waiting on reports, you can ask Copilot to analyze trends, summarize documents, right inside the notebook.
I've seen teams use it to brainstorm product ideas, generate customer insights, and even simulate business scenarios. It's not just about speed, it's about depth and clarity.
And the best part? It's collaborative. You can share notebooks, leave comments, and build on each other's prompts. It's like Google Docs meets Chatgpt, but smarter and more integrated with your work.
Let's talk real world. I recently saw a marketing team use Copilot Notebooks to analyze campaign performance across regions. They asked natural language questions like, which region had the highest ROI last quarter, and got instant chart-ready answers.
That's awesome. I've seen HR teams use it to summarize employee feedback and even draft policy updates based on sentiment analysis. It's like turning raw data into action without needing a data science degree.
So where is this going? I think we're just scratching the surface.
Totally. As Copilot notebooks evolve, we'll see deeper integrations with business systems, more advanced reasoning, and even proactive suggestions like, hey, this trend looks unusual, want to explore it?
It's not just a tool, it's becoming a thinking partner.
All right, as promised, we're about to jump into a quick demo. We'll show you how to use Copilot notebooks to analyze a data set, generate insights, and even create a presentation, all in under 5 minutes.
So, grab your coffee, open your notebook, and let's see the magic in action.
This demo is to show how we could use notebooks to analyze data sets, generate insights, and also to create outline for a PowerPoint presentation. So we'll start by creating a new notebook, and this notebook would be named Demo for this purpose. And this notebook is going to be used to analyze and get insights on coconut oil production in pretty much a group of countries that produce coconut oil. So we have this data set here, and we have this published document, and also have this also strategy, and I would now create the notebook. So this would just give us a couple of minutes to upload these references which we'll be using in this notebook. Let's wait for that. It's perfect. So the references has been uploaded, and from the notebook you could get an audio overview, and that would go through all the references you have, giving you a breakdown of the summary of everything you are trying to work. But for this demo purpose, we are going to be looking at the analytics analysis part of it. So first, this would want to analyze the data sets which we have here to give us how production in Africa could improve over the next 3 years. We will generate that now. So this will take a couple of minutes, less than a minute or a minute or so to give us all that information while we wait. So you can see here that it's working with the data sets which we have which is the reference, and it's drawing all the data from that. And with that data set, we get analysis, and we're getting insights on how we could get improved coconut oil production in the next 3 years in Africa. So this is strategy advantage for Africa and the 3-year forecast for prediction. So next prompt we'll be using is to get a visual forecast model for coconut production in Africa using what we just found here. So let's run that. Okay, so while this is running, we can see that we're getting projected productions in tons from 2023, and it's taking us down to 2028. All these are projections, and you can see this is a visual representation of what we want to see, and we also get key takeaways for this. So the next prompt we'll be using is to create a PowerPoint outline, and we want to tailor this to present to investors. And you can see that all this is done within the Copilot notebook. We've not left this, so it does not break your workflow. You do all this within the notebook. So so here this is the slides are being generated. Slide 1, slide 2, 3, 4, and it's still generating slides for us here. So as you can see, this ordinarily could have taken a longer time researching and going back and forth within each of those documents we put up as the reference, and it will take longer time, but with the notebook you could make use of this and you are good to go. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in to AI Ally. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and let us know how you're using Copilot Notebooks in your work.
Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and let AI be your ally.